Hi everyone, this is Marnell coming to you from the Piney Woods Wine Festival. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good. So we have all kinds of people out here today. You know, there's a class that we're doing at Kiepersol next week called "What in the World Does Texas Wine Taste Like?" Well, one way to find out what Texas wine tastes like is to come out to the Piney Woods Wine Festival. So you guys, we have Rio Neches out here. We have Kiepersol. There are so many wineries out here. I'm just gonna walk with you a little bit and show you. Here's Briar Creek. I haven't seen Briar Creek in a long time. I'll come back.
Yes, we need to visit.
Yes, I'll come back. So we have so many amazing wineries out here, you guys, that you can come and check out and see what East Texas wine is all about. Wine, when you go into the grocery store and you see all these, the sea of bottles, and you're trying to make a decision of what to pick up, wine is like, it's like buying star fruit. It's like buying some sort of fruit that you've never tried before. And you know, a piece of fruit might be $4 if it's something crazy unique, and a bottle of wine could be a $30 investment. So it's not easy to just pick up something that you're not sure about. So I want to help bring awareness to what to expect when picking up a bottle of Texas wine, or when picking up a bottle of wine from anywhere around the world, so that you're making a good investment and doing something that you can feel certain about. So if you want to come out to the class, that's going to be on the 21st. And then if you want to come and meet these phenomenal winemakers, winery owners, and people that work in the industry and support local, come out to the wine festival. So it's a fun time. The weather's great. The wine is phenomenal. And you know, wine is about community and meeting people and seeing people. So I hope that you guys can come out to the festival here in Lindale. We're gonna be, well, the festival's happening today and tomorrow. So y'all come out. Good music, good energy, and check out the website for the class on what in the world does Texas wine taste like. Y'all take care. God bless you guys. See you soon.